Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And today I'm showing you this 2K pack opening that I recorded 2 or 3 days ago, and this is my reaction to the packs.
Give me Tatum, please. 2K, give me Tatum. Tatum's my favorite player in the league. I'm an all-time Celtics fan. I'm wearing his jersey. Alright, let's go right. Oh, all bronze. Oh, that is terrible. This is not going good. I don't like his packs. I don't like his packs. Packs at all. Diamond. Okay, Norris Noel, I think. Please, 2K, 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 2K. Tatum. Another diamond. Oh, that's annoying. No, I don't know if I'll get him, honestly. No, this is not good. No. This is really... Oh, yes! I got purple, yes! What the? Give me Tatum. Be green! Yes! Let's fucking go! Oh, my birthday! Yes. I don't believe it. On my fucking birthday. Oh my fucking god. I put my favorite player in the league in a pack opening. I don't even care. I don't even care if I get nothing else. This has been amazing. I don't even care. That's the only thing I wanted. Still got that 10 pack after this as well. We bought quite a bit of packs, you know? Oh my fucking god. The cameras was on. The cameras are on. That's what I don't believe about it. The cameras are on. We still got a 10 pack up.